Well, it's been 1,475 days since I've uploaded a video to YouTube. The kids are a little bit older. The garage is a little bit more of a mess. A little bit more white in the beard, but we're back. This is going to be the greatest comeback tour on a YouTube channel that you've ever seen. Can't wait for you to join me on the journey. Got a lot in store this year. First, I have a goal of getting this channel to 50,000 subscribers in 364 days. So if you love this content, if it's interesting and you know people that think might be interested, send it along to them. I have a wife and 2 kids, so this garage workshop has been overrun. We've got bikes up the wazoo, sports equipment everywhere. My table saw over there is completely buried. So that's going to be the first project, is unburying this garage and getting it back to a functional workshop. After that, we've got a major deck resurfacing, reconditioning project that we'll be doing. We've got this workbench that needs to be rebuilt or another solution provided. We'll be doing a laundry room makeover with some shelving and some finishing details. Also, I had a desktop CNC 3D printing company reach out to me. They're going to send me one of their devices. We're going to test it out in the shop, see how it functions, see what we can make out of it. So that'll be pretty fun. Stick around for that. And then finally, of course, more cutting boards. But what else is of interest to you? What trends are happening in woodworking DIY projects that you want to learn more about, techniques that you want to practice and master, or just trends that you want to explore or don't want to explore? Tell me that too. But anyways, enough of all that. This is really a welcome back video. I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be making videos again. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to hear, and we'll see you in the future videos.